To party trick or not to party trick? That is the question. Happy Halloween, everyone. Today's party trick is sure to be a treat for your guests. We're going to be making the candy corn Collins. For this trick, you're going to need treat bags, paper straws, twist ties, candy corn, and a cocktail. So first, we'll take your treat bag, so many to choose from. Today I'm going to be using this cute little jack-o'-lantern. Open it up. You'll take your cocktail. We have an Altos Collins here, candy corn Collins. Slide it down. Give it a little zhuzh up. We're going to put in our paper straws. And we're going to gather it, so, and take a twist tie. So we're going to make a nice little base for us to put some treats on top. Today's treat is candy corn to go with the candy corn and the Collins. Really fill her up. It is Halloween after all. We have the candy corn Collins. And this party trick is double trouble. You get a cocktail and a treat for your guests. Thank you so much for watching Party Tricks with Jane. See you soon. Why isn't this working?